In this drawing lesson, I'm going to go over how to draw Knuckles versus Silver the Hedgehog from the Sonic universe. The character's really, really cool. Silver's awesome. And obviously, Knuckles is probably my personal favorite Sonic universe character. But anywho, we're going to jump into this. If you're a beginner, stay here, okay? Completely beginner. This is for beginners, all right? Step by step. I'm going to go through it. The whole thing's only about 10 minutes. Real brief, and you'll have it in your mind. You can draw it from now on, okay? So let's get started. Alrighty, let's go over this. I have Knuckles versus Silver the Hedgehog. It's going to be more of a standoff. So let's get started with Knuckles here on this side first. All right, I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to start with a kind of a straight line here for the bottom of Knuckles' eye, and it's going to go out over here to a point, and then pull back. Right, he's got a very pointed nose. I'm going to find it on the edge there. Pull down underneath, curve around, like so. Alright. Gonna go over here, and I'm going to start with kind of the angry part of Knuckles there. Smile. Down. Down. And then the line's going to go in there. He's going to have like this gritting teeth thing, so I'm going to have a sharp teeth there. Going to draw a line over here, up. Knuckles is cool though. He's like the Piccolo of the series, I think, like Piccolo from Dragon Ball. That's what he reminds me of. Curve down for the eye, and then curve down over here for the hair, right? That magical hair. Gonna go over here, and I'm gonna draw like a droplet over here of for the eye. Line over here, dot in the middle there. Right on. Back up here, up, back, and it's gonna go back. He's got a really big back of the skull, I noticed. So let's go over here, pull this tendril up, down, pull this tendril up. Down again over here, pull it up, and then one more, and then bam, it's gonna meet up back of the head there. Right on. We're gonna go over here. He's got like a stomach, but it's mostly like a chest area. Down over here, and draw a line there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw his arm coming off the side over here. And then maybe draw the cuff of his hand and draw like, I don't know, like it's gonna vignette like his hand is going down, but we're not gonna draw the glove here. Line over here for the tail sticking out the back there. Right on. And then we're gonna put this crescent shape curve right here in his chest. Right on. It's pretty interesting from the side. Oh, Knuckles. What kind of trouble are you getting yourself in now? Over here, well, I'm going to draw a probably curve over here for the top of the brow here. But, no, that's got enough. Yeah, there we go. I might even make the nose a little bit bigger. But over here on this side, we're going to draw a wine cork bottle of a nose, circle, and I'm going to fill that in. Line over here, back. For the mouth area of Silver. Curve line underneath, and it's going to go back over here. Okay. So far, so good. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Sonic, right? If Sonic is like something you really want to learn more of, you'd love to have all these characters in your mind, hit the subscribe right now. I draw Sonic all the time, as well as many other things on the channel. But I'm drawing like almost every other day. I'm drawing like a Sonic video right now. So hit the subscribe, click the bell notification, and you're going to see those on your feed every now and then. So you can be like, oh, cool. Yeah. If what I do here is worth your time, please consider. Line right here for the anger face, the fur of the brow up. It's gonna pull up over there. And then right here, we're gonna pull a thick line on the side, almost like there's eyeshadow or something. Okay. Pulling up over here, the front of the head. Gonna go over here, find the eye. Kind of that pulling down. Highlight and a dot there. And then he's got a serious face. Okay, so this is gonna extend up pretty high, and it's gonna go back down here, but not touch it yet. Well, it's not gonna touch it at all. And his ear is gonna come from there. Get up. You're with me so far? Decent? Okay. Now I'm gonna connect this. I'm gonna find the line on the far end over here. It's gonna pull up and this sweeps. It's like a slight S curve. All of these, it's like a little slight S curve. It's gonna be one in the front here, and then another here in the back. Okay. Cool, cool. Let's go down to the chest real quick. He's gonna have this kind of patch of hair on the chest. There's some little shadow. Line down here, down. Cool. Line for the arm, and then I don't know, you can have the bracelet, and you know it's gonna go off into nothing over there. It's gonna be a vignette. Okay, doke. Let's go over here to the back. Huge spike. Curve down. Back up. Okay. And I'm gonna draw another one on the far end over here. It's gonna go back up. Over here from this end, down for a much smaller spike over here, and then we're gonna have his tail coming out the back there. And that's it as far as the line art goes. I'm gonna go into the coloring pretty quick, but that's gonna be sped up. What I want you to do is, if you enjoyed this and you can hear me right now, hit the like and also share the video. When you share it anywhere, it's a huge support. If you do want to support the channel, sharing it takes less than 2 seconds. There's a share button on the bottom right hand corner. You can auto share it to anything you're logged into already. If you're logged into Twitter or Reddit, you can auto share it. It's amazing. Facebook, anything. And if you do want to donate to the channel, anything helps, even $1, you know, like $5 is like a coffee or something, right? Everything you donate to the channel, like through PayPal, it goes to those markers, and these are the really expensive markers, and I'm going to use them to color this drawing right now. So if you do want to support the channel, please, I would be very eternally grateful. But thank you so much. Let's hop into the speed coloring. I'm going to speed color it. Let's do it. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video, and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff, about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.